Hello, I'm David Shapiro. Welcome to AML in Focus by FedRay, your 1-minute briefing on financial crime compliance. Criminals are increasingly targeting young people through fake job ads and easy money offers on social media platforms. In 2024, over 200,000 UK bank accounts were linked to money muling, with the majority involving individuals under the age of 30. FedRay's take: banks need behavioral intelligence that connects accounts, social media activity patterns, and network signals to expose mule rings before damage spreads. FinCEN has launched a large-scale operation reviewing over 100 money service businesses for AML failures, using massive transaction data to uncover illicit networks. FedRay's take: supervision is expanding. Institutions need intelligence that sees the networks behind suspicious transactions. To wrap it up, from digital recruitment to cross-border laundering, financial crime is accelerating. Smarter AML means uncovering the networks, not just the transactions. To get deeper insight into emerging financial crime risks, talk to our experts.